and it's all about balance this time. I'm Dr. Iva Paneva, a psychologist, theater director, and media practitioner. And today I'll be talking about balancing your breath. Balancing what we have and what we need in life, it's very important because, as you know, very often we forget to give to ourselves what needs to be given to our soul. What I would like to suggest to you is a breathing exercise. I would like to invite you to close your eyes, stand straight, put your feet down, and then just inhale for 2 counts. Just try to find your balance. And then breathe in on 2 counts and think, I receive. Then hold your breath for 4 counts and think, I'm balanced. And then exhale when you're ready into 6 counts and think, I give when it's right. You should repeat this 3 times. And don't forget, I receive, I'm balanced, I give when it's right. Please subscribe to Between Worlds and stay with me.